Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, hi, my name is Dia and I'm a second year MBBS student. So today's video is all about NEET. So I have divided this entire series of NEET videos that I'll be doing into 4 or 5 videos. But for today, part 1 of the series is going to be for those students who are in the 9th or in the 10th standard and who are planning to give NEET in order to become doctors. So this video is solely for you guys and I hope that all your doubts get cleared in this video. So before we go any further, what is NEET? NEET is a National Eligibility Cum Entrance Test which is to be given if you want to secure a seat in any of the medical courses, be it MBBS, BDS, physiotherapy or occupational therapy. So NEET is a 720 marks paper which is divided into 3 subjects, physics, chemistry and biology. For physics and chemistry it is 180 marks and for bio it is 360 marks. So this is the entrance exam that you have to give after your 12th exam in order to get a seat in any of the medical courses. So now talking about the NEET exam, it is usually held on the first Sunday of May, but अभी लॉकडाउन कोविड की वजह से सब चेंज हो गया है, but हाँ, usually it is the first Sunday of May. As I said, it is a 720 mark paper divided into 3 categories. हर एक subject is important in itself and I will be making a detailed subject study video later on, but इसमें से बायोलॉजी का सबसे मैक्सिमम वेटेज है. इट इज़ फॉर 360 मार्क्स. सो एज यू कैन सी इट हैज़ द मैक्सिमम वेटेज एंड इट इज़ वन ऑफ द easiest subjects out of physics and chemistry. Passing NEET is very easy. You just need 50th percentile for unreserved category and 40 percentile for reserved category. But अगर कोई अच्छा कॉलेज चाहिए या फिर मेडिकल सीट मिलने के लिए you need to have at least between 400 to 720 मार्क्स के रेंज में, बिकॉज कट ऑफ्स आजकल इतने हाई हो गए हैं कि लास्ट ईयर का कट ऑफ वाज सो हाई दैट इवन स्टूडेंट्स हु गॉट 400 डिड नॉट गेट एडमिशन फॉर MBBS. सो माय personal advice to you guys is to aim anywhere between 520ish to 720 so that you are for sure getting a seat in MBBS. So first of all, a very common question that I hear a lot of juniors asking me is whether they should opt for PCB or for PCMB after your 10th standard. Now this is your choice, but personally I prefer opting for PCB because not only does it reduce your burden of an extra subject maths, but it also helps you focus on the 3 subjects and give your full attention and concentration to physics, chemistry and bio. However, this is only if you are absolutely sure that you will be able to work hard and get a medical seat. Now there are some people who are very confused about whether they want to do engineering or medical after 10th, so they opt for PCMB. They give the JEE exam, the CET exam for engineering as well as give NEET. But in order to give a JEE exam, you have to take maths. So now this depends upon you. If you are very sure that, okay, I have to do medicine, I want to do medicine, then blindly take PCB because it will help you focus on bio more and give all your attention to 3 subjects. But if you're very confused that what if I don't get good marks in NEET, what if I don't get a medical seat, I want to have something as a backup option, then you should take PCMB because that way you always have an option of giving CET or JEE besides NEET. I had taken PCB because first of all I hated maths. After 10th I just wanted to drop maths and get rid of it, so I took PCB. मैंने PCB इसीलिए लिया क्योंकि मुझे वही 3 सब्जेक्ट पे पूरा फोकस करना था. So the next important doubt that I get from a lot of people is कि 10th के बाद should I go for integrated coaching, should I go for CBSE, कि मैं ISC लूँ, HSC लूँ, क्या लूँ, ये बहुत confusing सवाल है. So for me, my personal choice and my personal advice हमेशा will be to opt for integrated coaching. ये इसलिए है क्योंकि self study बहुत ज़्यादा important है. ये 2 साल में खुद की पढ़ाई and you studying and attending the classes which are important from a NEET point of view is more important than attending school and doing other subjects like English, Hindi and social sciences. So मेरा ये personal belief है कि integrated coaching से बहुत ज़्यादा time मिलता है. I had opted for integrated coaching and उसके वजह से I had to attend college only like 2 or 3 times a year, and that too only to give my exams. And I strongly advise you guys to also consider the option of integrated coaching. 11th and 12th के marks ज़्यादा matter नहीं करते. To become eligible for NEET exam, you have to score at least a 50 percentile in your 12th board exams for the unreserved category and 40 percentage for the reserved category. So as you can see, 40 and 50% to score that much, it's not really very tough. You can study for the HSC exams 1 or 2 months before the board exams and crack it very easily, because you don't have to aim for 90%, 80%, because that's not needed. It is not going to help you for NEET. You should dedicate maximum amount of time to study for NEET rather than studying for HSC subjects. As a result of which, I suggest joining integrated, because then all of the burden of projects and assignments, which is usually there in CBSE and ISC schools, वो बहुत कम हो जाएगा. Now, another very common question is like, when did you decide कि आपको डॉक्टर बनना है? Now, for me, I had this dream of becoming a doctor ever since I was around 11 or 12 years old. ये एक passion होता है. Do not enter MBBS or any other medical course out of force कि कोई प्रेशराइज कर रहा है इसलिए मुझे एंटर करना है, क्योंकि MBBS बहुत बड़ा कोर्स है. उसका ग्रेजुएशन कोर्स itself is 5.5 years. So if you are pressurized and if you are doing it just because somebody has forced you to, trust me, MBBS is going to be very difficult, because otherwise it will all just be a burden. And even if you manage to get a college afterwards in MBBS, it will be so hectic. You will keep cursing yourself as to why I chose MBBS. That is why I'm saying कि passion is very important if you want to do something like MBBS. So a piece of advice for those of you who have decided that I will be going for MBBS and I will be doing this. Number 1, let it be your passion. Number 2, it is a beautiful field. There is no field in this world that can even compare itself to MBBS, and the amount of obstacles, challenges and everything that you will face in MBBS. It is such a nice course that उसको करने में ही इतना मज़ा आता है. Like, I am enjoying my MBBS a lot. So do it if you want to do it, and there is nothing in this universe that can ever stop you. If you want to do it, अगर आपके दिल में सच्ची इच्छा है कि मुझे MBBS सीट लेना ही है, तो there is no force in this universe that can drag you down or pull you down. You can achieve whatever you want. So one motivational quote before I end this video. This is a quote that I used to follow when I was in 11th, 12th, and I still follow and strongly believe in it. It is called, "They can those who think they can." This is a very famous quote by Walt Disney, and it basically means कि अगर आप किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो there is nothing that can stop you, and you will definitely be able to achieve it if you work hard. So this is all for this video, and this is a very normal beginner's guide to giving NEET, mostly for those students who are in the 10th standard. In my next video, I will be talking about 11th and 12th graders, those who are going to be giving NEET soon, and then I will be talking about the books that I used for NEET and my study schedule. All of that is going to come up next in the NEET series. So for now, that is it. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you have any doubts regarding NEET or anything else, to just leave it in the comments, and I will try my best to answer all of them in my upcoming videos. And if you wish to follow me on Instagram, please do follow me at diya.kasargod. This is my Instagram handle. I'll be linking it in the description below. So stay tuned for more content, guys. Bye-bye.